And then I am going to key for 30 seconds. In the meantime, how everyone doing today? I got this one ready. I need to see. A little bit smaller. Green. Just be a good green for a good Mardi Gras. I'm using from this collection. Let's do something a little bit different because we're always doing it like a purple. We can do a purple as well. Just use a little one and crinkle it. Just give, I just want to hint a little bit. Do you have a, can I get my tweezers, please? I'm moving around because I just got back from the trip. So my thing is just still in my luggage travel, but I'm trying to get everything so I can share with you. Hey, Miss Paula from Brazil, thank you so much for tuning in. So enjoying having you. So just using a crinkle it and then you just dab it to get a little bit look of the Mardi Gras. Like I have a green. I want a purple too. Do you have purple? I just want just a little hint. I don't want too much. Look at that. It's okay. Hey! Thank you, Vicky. I'm home. It's so funny that there was in the airport. There was like ready to landing. And it's okay, too foggy. So then we need to do it 15 minutes. And then the was flying around and around and around. So, okay, we're going back to Atlanta. I said, great. But we have a great weekends with Vicky in New York City. We did training a class. It's wonderful ideas and wonderful that we can get to share with everyone. And everybody loved the class and learned so much for 6 hours. Like bringing so many techniques. We love it. We'll like give everything to you. And lost your blanket. Yeah, I lost my blanket first. I have no blankets. And then at that time, all that I want to buy the new blankets for travel. The store closed, Vicky. So I'm happy with this. I don't want too much. If you want too much, then don't crinkle it. Just have a whole piece of it. So now I am going to using my condensed glue gel and twin tip brush to apply it on. I know it's good, but it's all good. We got an opportunity working with my mentors for New York Fashion Weeks. One of the designers using our crystal. So we're so honored and so happy. And the collection from Pamela Rowlands is just gorgeous. So beautiful. You can check them out with all the collection and beautiful products from Patricia nail lacquers. So if you are looking for really nice nail polish to be in your salon to sell and purchase the retail to make extra money and income coming in, a great product line is knife free of all that harsh chemicals. So do not forget to check it out. If you ask question about the link, I can also send it to you as well. And it's great, it's beautiful, it's used for all celebrities. So your clients will be thrilled to see all that beautiful nail polish to use it at home. So a good generous coat, and I'm gonna wipe my brush off. And next I'm gonna using my no wipe top coat. My beautiful no wipe top coat got a little bit messy because it's traveling with me. And on the top of the condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cured my condensed glue gel yet, I'm gonna blend it out. And just floating techniques. You don't want to drag the gels. Then if you drag them down, the gel is going to be really like contaminated with the top coat. So it's going to lead into your top. It get really sticky. What is that? My little school for, oh, he just opened it on that side. Don't leave me. want this pink. Okay, I'm gonna do this like purple though. Here's a purple. Huh? You think it's purple? I'm going to get some green. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cool though, because this one is glow in the dark as well. So I'm so excited for this. Can we have the green one? Right there. And then I'm gonna using a lot of, oh, I need obsidians, my obsidian beads. Vicky, you doing okay? Did you work today? I got it right here. Right there. Oh, it looks so cute though. She's so, like, I don't know he or she, but so cute. Let me put it right here. I'm gonna put, instead of me putting a gold as usual, you know that I love gold beads, but we have really nice strong background. I am going to use my obsidian like opposite of it, so then it's gonna look so stunning. If you're down in South, or if you have a client that love a Mardi Gras theme, you can't never go wrong with this. It's so amazing. Oh, good. It's a great day. How was cold? Is it cold? Hey, thanks so much for love and support. Who sent a lot of love? That's a lot of motivation there. It's funny, when I was in New York City, me and Vicky, it was like nothing stopped us from doing live video because you love you guys so much, and we don't want you guys to be hanging there with no cute and like a fun live video, because Valentine coming is great idea, especially for beginner. It's great to have a lot of support, so then that's why you can always feel really confident. We're always there and to be on your side to support you as well, because we don't want you to get the products and not knowing what you're doing. That is one of the missions of our team that will be really sharing in the mass brand ambassador class. So sharing, if you are the really passionate nail artist, which is I know you all, because you know why I know? I don't even need you to tell me. Because instead of a lot of choices in your life and you are watching my live video even for a minute, is something it was really is motivate you to watching it. It means that you love to share, you love to learn, you're coachable, you're teachable, you would love to learn and you would love to share with people. How cool is that? If you learn something that is be successful with your business and you want to share with other people, so then all your students can be successful. You got to travel with us to doing all different trade show and teaching a lot of different classes to help so many people impact their life, to change their life. All that new beginners that are really struggling or really like not sure what path they are to being in the right path, or if they're gonna able to make a living as a professional nail tech license, like spend a lot of money to go and the time, and if they are making it. So brand ambassador, if you're seeing it that yourself in there, that is a class for you. Not only for yourself, for your personal growth, also you help so many in your industry with people. It's not only that, it's not done there. Is you helping people to be successful, yourself are gonna be really successful as well, because you got so much to learn from all of the nail techs, and also you get a lot of support from us. So we're so excited. We can't wait to see you in March in Michigan. So all more information in detail, always feel free to DM us. We've been helping a lot of nail technician, passion, and getting a class ready, and then they're asking for hotels and how you can able to, make arrange for your flights and everything. We can always assist you if you need help, okay? So do not afraid of to doing it, buying, to predict your future. Is the best way to predict your future is to create it. I wouldn't be here without taking a lot of continuing education class. I was telling you, it's hard, yes. Because if it's not too hard, it's easy, everybody would do it. But if you are tuning in today, you are one of like 5% on the top of population, and so many percent on the top of nail technician to decide for your life and for your career changing. So congratulations already. Look at that. How cool is this nail? It looks a lot of going on there, but because it's Mardi Gras nails, it can be flashy, busy. That is a great that I really passionate, and I'm so excited because to become a really good leader is not about become a really top-notch leader. Is become a good leaders and helping a lot of other people is to create a lot of leaders. So then a lot of other leaders out there will be helping a lot of nail techs, beginners. Like even the nail tech for many years, I was seeking out a lot of different new techniques to, continue and to be passionate in their career so they won't be burned out. You know why? If you start feeling burnt out, because you need something to change. How it changed, you have to create it with our support. That you don't have to learn it by yourself. You don't have to struggle it by yourself. You have a whole entire team to support you. Great. So I'm pop this nails in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Oh my goodness, this is so cool though. There's a lot of going on, but I like that. Miss Corina, that would be so amazing. Wish you could come to Alberta, Canada. This is my dream. You know what is on the list? So we do have a lot of clients who is Alberta. So please stay tuned and send me the information to Miss Corina. That is very pretty. Latanya, thank you so much. There's all my traveling stuff, so you can see that I was stuck in the airport. But hey, no one stopped me from not doing live video for you. Like I would be in the hotel rooms with my tripod, and I just so excited. I can't wait. It's like I say, oh my God, what I'm gonna do when I don't get to see you for like next 2 days. But we made it happen. Only yesterday I missed it, but the rest of them are good. And then on Monday I get to do earlier because we have a couple meetings that we have to get going. So that's why we did it in the morning. So it's great. Hey Jan, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you everyone. This nail is good. I'm gonna do next I am going to do is to put my precision glue. And again, if you need to use this on the other side for SS3, SS4, SS6, along with your cuticle, you're gonna use that on the other end. It's so convenient, compact, and it will last you a long time. One of this bottle will last you a long way. So if you are in love with this and then you are like really excited about and you need to refill it, you can get it from our website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And it's not in there. So excited. If you are a member or having your member Prime, Amazon Prime, you can get this Glitz Accessory and Such precision glue from a Prime and ship it to your door in 2 days. Free shipping. So I'm gonna go and seal it in. So it's however you want it. It's convenient for you, then do it. You just need a bottle of it. Let's get it from Amazon and under Glitz Accessory and Such. This little skull is a little bit bigger, which is really nice because I want a bigger one. So I'm feeling it, like feel the gap right there. I'm squeezing a little bit of my precision glue. I freaking love this guy because it saved my life, which is my crystal placement life, so much better. Don't feel it, don't see it, just get one and experience it yourself. You see amazing how your crystal placement on. So now I'm feeling it just have a big gap there. I'm so glad because it's gonna keep freaking catching a client's hair. Gonna blend that using my twin tip brush. I get it right on my sides. I'm gonna blend it along with this. Doesn't matter you holding that way or this way, because you don't want after you cure it's not flawless. It's like a lumpy, bumpy. You want it looks nice and flawless as possible. I'm really happy with this. I am gonna pop this in the lamp for about 60 seconds. This nails is so color. I love it.